Hello students, today we start continue exercise sum number 8. Is tan inverse cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. And the range are given, that is minus pi by 4 to x less than 3 pi by 4. Okay, so first of all we have what to do, just we have to convert this sum into simple form. So we have to just remove a tan inverse function. So I need there is a tan. Okay, so you know that what is the formula of tan using sine and cos. So it is a sine by cos. So I need sine upon cos. So just I here 1 upon root 2 divided by in numerator and denominator both sides. Okay, so I get 1 by root 2 cos x minus 1 by root 2 sin x, 1 by root 2 cos x plus 1 by. If you common it is, then it becomes like this: 1 by root 2 cos x minus sin x and 1 upon root 2 cos x plus sin x. Okay, so 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 cancel, so we get this form. Okay, now I just put here 1 by root 2 is equal to sin pi by 4 and 1 by root 2 is equal to here cos pi by 4. Why it is? So I need here sine formula. Okay, I need here sine formula. So I just put, we know that what is the formula of sine alpha plus beta, that is sine alpha cos beta minus sine cos alpha sine beta. So here multiply, here cos, so I need sine, here sine, so I need cos. That's why I am using this. And in denominator I need cos formula. So it is cos alpha minus beta is cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. So here we put cos pi by 4 and here sin pi by 4. So using this formula I get sin pi by 4 minus x and cos pi by 4 minus x. Sin upon cos, that is tan. So here the range are given. So we first of all check it is in range or not. So pi by 4 less than x less than 3 pi by 4 given in question. Okay, I need here, I want to make here pi by 4 minus x. So I need x become negative. So I just apply minus sign, then the greater than become less than and less than become greater than. So I get this. Here minus pi by 4 become plus pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4 become minus 3 pi by 4. Now I need pi by 4. Adding pi by 4 in this all side. So pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4 less than pi by 4 minus 6 less than pi by 4 plus pi by 4. Okay, so here denominator same. So pi minus 3 pi, that is minus 2 pi upon 4. If we cut to 2, so I get minus pi by 2. And here pi plus pi 2 pi by 4. So 2 cuts, so I get pi by 2. It means pi by 4 minus 6 less than belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. It means it is in range. So we just remove this tan inverse and tan. So I get pi by 4 minus x. That is our final answer. Ninth one is tan inverse x square in root a square minus x square mod x is less than a. Okay students, so once again I need like this. Once again I need here tan. So in numerator sine and denominator cos. Okay, so check it here. I need here sine. If I put here sine, only sine, not a sine. Okay, sin theta, then it makes a square minus sin square. So I am not able to remove here a square. So I need here 1 minus sin square. So it becomes cos square and then cos. So sin upon cos I get tan. That's why I take here x is equal to a sin theta. Okay, now I just want to convert into theta. So sin theta is equal to a, one side change, it becomes x by a, and theta is equal to sin inverse x by a. Now I just put the value of x into this term question. So I get x is equal to a sin theta. So a sin theta into a square minus a square sin theta. Now I just common here a square in root, that is a. 1 minus sin square as it is. So a cut. Now it becomes, so you know identity, sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square is equal to cos square. Now root and square root both are cut. Then I get mod cos theta. Okay. Now we are not taking either plus or minus, but we take here mod cos theta. Then using the range, then we go further. It is positive or negative. So range are given in our question, that is mod x by less than a. So I just change the position of a. So it get mod x by a less than 1. Now it is mod. Okay, so just we remove mod, so I get minus and plus. So minus 1 less than x by a less than 1. So we know that what is the x by a is equal to what? Sin theta. So I get sin theta here. So minus 1 less than sin theta less than 1. So I apply inverse function to all three, sin inverse of minus 1. So I get minus pi by 2. Theta pi by 2. So it means theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, you know that minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, that is a range is fourth quadrant and first quadrant. Okay, so in fourth and first, cos is always positive. So I just take here mod cos theta is equal to cos theta. So it becomes tan theta. Tan inverse tan, it is in range, that is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. It means it is in range. So theta, I get theta. You know that theta is equal to what? Sin inverse x by a. That is our final answer. Next one is 10th one. Tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3x square. A is greater than 0 and other range is minus a by root 3 less than x less than a by root 3. So first of all, you know that what is the formula of tan. Okay, so I just need, there is only one formula, that is here cube and here 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. That is a formula of tan 3 theta. You know that tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan minus tan cube upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So I just make this formula here using x is equal to something. Okay, so I just take here x is equal to a tan theta. Now subject of tan theta, you take like this, theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. If you know that we want to take this, then you can do like this. Okay, otherwise it's okay if you take x is equal to a tan theta, then after you make like this, then it is fine. Okay, so theta is equal to tan inverse x by a, position G, and tan theta is equal to x by a. So x is equal to a tan theta. Now I just put this value in this question. So I get 3a square a tan theta minus a tan theta whole cube, because here cube, a cube as it is minus 3a as it is a tan theta square. Now I just 3a, here one time, here 2 times. So I get a cube tan theta, a cube tan cube, as it is here a square into a cube. Now I just common a cube in numerator as well as denominator. So I get 3 tan minus tan cube upon 1 minus 3 tan square. A cube, cut. Okay, it is a formula we already told you. That is a formula is tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan minus tan cube upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So I get tan 3 theta. Now using a range here given minus a by root 3 less than x less than a by root 3. So just I put x is equal to a tan theta. Now here a, so all are cut. So I get minus 1 by root 3 less than tan theta less than 1 by root 3. So you all know that in tan table, where is the 1 by root 3? So I get on pi by 6. So I here put minus pi by 6 less than theta less than pi by 6. Here angle is not theta, it is 3 theta. So I just multiply by 3 in all condition. So 3 pi by 6, so 3 2s are. So it is in range. So 3 theta. Now theta is equal to what? Tan inverse x by a. Question number 11. Okay. In this sum, we have to find the value of each of the following. So question is tan inverse in bracket 2 cos in simple bracket 2 sin inverse 1 by 2 bracket over. So first of all, we know that sin inverse 1 by 2. So we take 1 by 2 is equal to what? So we know that is sin pi by 6. So I just put here sin pi by 6. And so what is the range of sin inverse function? Yes, it is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So pi by 6 is in range. So I just put here pi by 6. Now cutting this, so I get 2 3s are. So it becomes pi by 3. We know that cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. 2 to cut. So I get 1. So 1 is equal to what? 10 pi by 4, and pi by 4 is in range in between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So I get pi by 4. 12th one, code in bracket tan inverse A plus 4 inverse A. Okay. Here inverse identity is tan inverse x plus 4 inverse x is equal to pi by 2. If the angle are same and tan and code inverse function are in addition form, so we get pi by 2 here. Both angles same. So I just write tan inverse A plus 4 inverse A is equal to pi by 2. And we know that code pi by 2 means 0. Next one is 13. Tan 1 by 2 sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. Bracket over. There is a 3 range are given. Mod x is less than 1, y is greater than 0, and xy is less than 1. So first of all, I just multiply 1 by 2 in both. Right. Okay. Now we know that what is the formula of sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square is 2 tan inverse x. And cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square is equal to 2 tan inverse y. In our formula, we write here not y but x. So I just change here angle. So 2 to cut. 2 to cut. So left tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So we learned already 3 or 4 cases are there of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, 3 cases, and one of is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula. So first formula is tan inverse x plus y. If tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. If and only if xy is less than 1. Here in question already given, that is xy is less than 1. Here check your condition first and then put your formula. Okay, so I just here xy is less than 1, so we put this formula here, and y is greater than 0. Cut, and x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Next one, 14th one, if sin inverse 1 upon 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1, then to find the value of x. Here sin inverse 1 upon 5 plus is equal to 1 are given. So we know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. And also I need sin something here, the value of angle is equal to 1. So we know that if we get pi by 2, then and then we get 1. If we make sin pi by 2, then we get 1. Okay. So I need here pi by 2. So how I get pi by 2? So using formula, we know that if the angle of sin inverse x and cos inverse x are same, then we get pi by 2. So already here 1 upon 5. So here must 1 upon 5. So we get x is equal to 1 upon 5. And 15th one is if tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 upon x plus 2 is equal to pi by 2, then to find the value of x. In this sum, you have to what to do? Just do it formula like tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Okay, this formula. You have to put x is equal to this and y is equal to this. Then you get something x form equations. Now just transfer this tan inverse to this side, so it becomes tan pi by 4 and you get 1. Now you have to solve polynomial. You get a quadratic equation and you have to solve and you get the value of x. Sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3. Okay, so you all know that what is the range of sin inverse, that is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, so here the given angle is not in range, so I have to just convert into range. So 2 pi by 3 it means pi minus pi by 3. If we cross multiply 3 pi minus pi, it will be 2 pi by 3. So pi minus theta. We know that sin pi minus theta, it is in second quadrant, sin positive. So I get sin theta. So I get sin pi by 3. Now angle is in range. Pi by 3 belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So I get answer is pi by 3. Similarly 17, tan inverse tan 3 pi by 3. Once again it is in not in range because of tan simple bracket minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So pi minus pi by 4. So I get 10 pi minus theta minus 10 theta. So I just get 10. I just put here minus and 10 10. So I get minus pi by 4 because it is in range. 18th one 10. Sin inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2. Now I want to just remove this 10. So I get here 10 inverse. Okay. So let say sin inverse 3 upon 5 is equal to theta. So sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Using Pythagoras theorem, and you all know that in 10th standard we have already learned that it is opposite side, it is hypotenuse. So using Pythagoras I get here 4. So tan theta is OS upon AS. So 3 by 4. Theta is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. But theta is equal to what? Sin inverse 3 by 5. So sin inverse 3 by 5 is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. And using here I want to change into tan. So I have cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x. So angle reciprocal. 3 by 2 means 2 by 3. I just put here value of sin inverse 3 by 5 is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4 and cot inverse 3 by 2 is equal to tan inverse 2 by 3. Now and let take x is equal to 3 by 4 and y is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, we have three formulas that. That's why I just take here x and y. We know that xy less than 1, xy greater than 1 and xy is equal to 1. So multiply of both. So here 3 cut and 2 ones are 2 twos are. So I get 1 by 2. It means 0.5 is less than 1. So I just write tan inverse x plus 5 means 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 upon 1 minus xy. 1 minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. Cross by 3 3s are 9, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Cutting that I get 1 by 2. Now 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Denominator of denominator in numerator. 2 6 are. So I get 17 by 6. Next 19th one MCQ you have to write yourself cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6. You have to solve yourself. 20th MCQ sin in bracket pi by 3 minus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. We know that 1 by 2 is pi by 6. Here minus, I take minus. Okay. Now it is in range. So minus plus pi by 6. Addition of that cross multiplication 6 pi plus 3 pi upon 6 3s are 6 plus 3 9 9 2s are. So sin pi by 2 I get 1. Okay. I think your option is B. Tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. So I just want to convert into positive way. So cot inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. So I just write here pi minus cot inverse root 3. Minus plus minus plus minus. We know that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So it's equal to pi by 2 minus pi. So difference between this, so I get minus pi by 2.